Hello, this is Ask Anastasia and I'm gonna show you one more house today that may be a potential good for a rental property. This property is located in Kentucky. It's many people think that it's too far, but you really need just to cross the bridge. We're literally like 5 minutes from Ohio, and I am looking into possibility of buying properties in Kentucky, and we're talking about this yellow house, and we're gonna go in right now. It's occupied right now, so hopefully they're gonna allow me to film. And they also advise me there is a dog there, so here, oops, can you get the dog, please? Okay, here is a beautiful dog, and this is entry room, and they have beautiful backyard, and I'm gonna show you kitchen. It's nice, beautiful kitchen. Everything is done right here. But they told me that this house needs work, so we're gonna see what kind of work we need. This is one room, and I'm not sure what is here. It's a closet. This house needs some work. This is one more room, and they have laundry here, which is convenient. You don't need to go downstairs to do it. And let's see what we have right here. This is bathroom. Nothing need. Oh, it says really strange toilet, really tiny one. Okay, floor, nice hardwood floor. You just need to refinish them probably. And this is bedroom. Need some work right there. And it's pretty big room. And I'm sure because of the door right here, you probably can enter to this room, and then it's gonna be one more room, kitchen, and let's go upstairs. Yeah, upstairs we still need to do some work. One room. They start working on it, but it's not finished. And let's have a sink here. Let's see, closet. I'm not sure what is here, but needs some work. And one more room right here. Okay, just gonna be one more room. Thank you. Such a beautiful light. Okay, and let's go downstairs and check the basement. Do you have a light in the basement? Thank you. see what needs to be done here. Okay, this house has AC, and you can smell mold. Okay, and it's new water heater, and another washer and dryer here, and we have some water just standing here. Okay, so this house is 5 bedroom and 1 bathroom. We are still negotiating the price. What do you think? Leave a comment below, and if you like to see this kind of videos, please leave a comment, subscribe. Thank you for your help. Please come back.